Welcome back. Well, a recent Gallup study suggests that 72% of employees feel like they're working harder than last year, yet less than half feel like they are thriving in their lives. Joining us now to talk about this perfect storm that's happening in so many workplaces, maybe it's you, is leadership expert. It's Beth Ridley. Hi, Beth.
Hi, good morning, Tiffany.
Good to see you, Lovey. I'm so excited when you're here. You know, I think this is truly a perfect storm, and so many people are feeling it. And I think a lot of people who hear that, they're like, yeah, I'm taking on so much work. I am working more, but I'm not feeling like I'm thriving. What's the root cause of this? What's going on?
Yeah, there's a couple things that are happening. First of all, with the great resignation that we've all been hearing about, a lot of people leaving the workforce, those who remain are taking on more work. So we're working harder. Plus, we're still in a very much a remote or a hybrid work environment. I think a lot of employers thought, oh, we're rounding the corner on the pandemic, everyone back in the office, but not so fast. Some people really like working remotely. They like the flexibility, and they've proven that they're productive. So a large portion of the workforce, they are not going to return back at work like 5 days a week. And then during the pandemic, a lot of companies hired people who don't even live in the same city as the office. So they're definitely not coming back. So I think between working harder and just losing that personal connection with your colleagues leads to a sense of disengagement and really just a lack of joy when it comes to work. Because when you're working at home or more remotely, when you connect with your employees, it's really only about work. We're sort of lacking that, banter and chit chat and getting to know each other when we bump into each other in the break room or in the hallway. And it really does have a psychological effect on us. And it results in feeling like just a lack of joy.
I completely agree. I think there's this, lack of community, that people are feeling for sure. I mean, Molly and I joke all the time about we used to, spend our days getting ready together in the makeup room. And even just that little 20, 30 minutes that we spent was such a connector between us
It
that
was
we don't
bonding.
get. Yes.
Yeah, bonding, those shared experiences that we just don't have anymore.
True. So how can we improve this situation? Because people are feeling awkward about returning often.
Yeah, they are. So I think we're not going to go back to the old days. So we just got to embrace the change and come up with creative ways. And I think like the old school happy hour or corporate retreats, those aren't going to work anymore because they don't really fit in people's schedule. And as people are working harder, they don't really have that much time. So we got to find small ways to integrate building personal relationships in the workday. So I've got 3 fun ideas that I'd like to toss out there.
All right, hit us. I love your ideas. So start with number one.
All right, so idea number 1, now don't roll your eyes. It's the good old fashioned get to know you question icebreaker that you can slip in at the beginning of every meeting. The truth is, if you ask a question like, hey, what are you looking forward to? Or what's something new that you tried recently? It doesn't take much time, but you get to know someone at a personal level, and you can find those personal connections that builds 2 additional conversations. If you're all in the same room, go around. If you've got too many people on a team, just turn to the person next to you or in small groups. And it works beautifully in a virtual environment because you can put people in small breakout groups virtually or just have people throw their answers in chat. It probably takes maybe 1 minute tops, but it starts to build those connections.
Beth, I love that you said don't roll your eyes because that's what everybody wanted to do. Like, oh gosh. But you're right. If somebody says, oh, I recently started playing pickleball, you don't know what that could create when you leave the meeting. Someone else being like, hey, me too. Maybe we should try together. I love that. All right. How about idea number 2?
Okay, so idea number 2, do walking meetings, especially if it's a one-on-one meeting with someone. So just breaking the environment and getting into a new environment really sparks more creative conversations. It also means that you're more present with the person because you don't have your devices with you, and it promotes healthiness and well-being. So if you're both in the office, grab your coat and go outside, even in this weather. There's no bad weather, there's just bad gear, so grab a nice coat. If you're remote but sort of in the same area, drive to a central location, explore a new neighborhood together. And if you're fully remote, both of you get outside on your phones, just do a phone call chat or a FaceTime. And it's, again, that shared experience that, it's bonding. So that's a good idea.
I am totally into that idea, walking meetings. That is fantastic. How about your third idea?
Okay, so the third idea is the tried and true. Nothing brings people together more than food. Let's just be honest. So if you are in the office, go to the good old fashioned donuts or pizza in the break room, right? But if you're sort of remote or in a hybrid, what you can do is just put a 30-minute drop in coffee, chat on everyone's calendar and have everyone drop in with their snack or coffees from home. The only rule is you cannot talk about work. Again, build those relationships. And if you're the boss and if you want to do something really nice to show appreciation to employees, send them a virtual gift card to Starbucks so they can bring their coffee, or better yet, send them a donut and coffee via Grubhub during the time for the drop-in.
You are so cute, Beth. And look, I just got this dropped off right before your segment. They dropped off a donut. Dwight came in and dropped. So I'm telling you, I know our office is trying to do cute little things like that as well to show appreciation for coming back, because we know it's hard. What's the main takeaway that we've literally, we're out of time, so just make it real quick.
We got to embrace the change and ask employees what they want. They have really great ideas, and start new traditions.
Oh, Beth, you are wonderful. Good to see you.
Good to see you. Thank you.
Absolutely. For more ideas and inspiration, you can head to Beth's website. It's bethridley.com.